FELDER Group is at Ligna 2019 and we are inviting you to come and visit us. We will be exhibiting the latest FELDER and Format 4 innovations and top-of-the-range models over an area spanning 2,700 square meters. New beam saws and panel saws, new CNC machines and productivity technologies. Experience augmented reality, the smart assistant for quick positioning of pod and rail and workpieces. Our software solutions, revolutionary and unique, profitable for all sizes of business. Edge benders for all levels of investment in every performance class. With Advanced Edge, the affordable zero-joint technology for all businesses. A world first, PCS, Preventive Contact System, the revolutionary safety technology for panel saws, ready to go again at the push of a button, and much more. Request your free ticket to the trade fair now. We look forward to seeing you in Hall 13 at the FELDER Group, your partner for perfect woodworking.